Hey, so today we're diving into Tesla's huge stock drop. $900 billion gone, and Musk is facing some pretty tough criticism. How do you feel about it?
Honestly, I'm a bit shocked. I've always admired Tesla's innovation, but seeing their stock plummet like this, it's hard to ignore. It seems like Musk's focus on politics and his other ventures might be a big part of the problem.
Yeah, it's definitely not just the stock. Sales are down 80%, and now we're seeing protests against Tesla around the world. It's like the whole brand is becoming a symbol of political division.
For sure, it's crazy how Musk, who was once seen as a visionary, is now taking jabs at the media, making controversial tweets, and even getting involved in politics. That's not exactly helping Tesla's image.
Absolutely. And, it's interesting that people forget Musk wasn't even the original founder of Tesla. The company was actually started by Eberhard and Mark Tarpening. Musk came in as an investor, and it wasn't until later that he took control.
Right? Musk's influence was a game changer, but it's clear that his persona has been a double-edged sword. Now that he's more controversial, people are turning away from Tesla. It seems like the brand is just too linked to his public persona at this point.
And don't forget the regulatory issues. Tesla's been facing investigations, especially with their self-driving cars. Musk's focus on his role with the Department of Government Efficiency isn't helping either. It's a lot to juggle.
True. Musk seems distracted, and the government cuts, including laying off workers from the NHTSA, could pose a conflict of interest when it comes to Tesla's compliance and safety regulations. Investors are definitely worried.
Speaking of investors, his promotion of Dogecoin hasn't been well received either. There's talk of market manipulation, and that's the last thing Tesla needs right now with all the turbulence going on.
Yeah, crypto is volatile enough, and having someone like Musk at the center of it just adds more uncertainty. It's a bad look for a publicly traded company like Tesla.
Then there's the tariffs. Trump's 25% tariff on imported vehicles is a big hit, especially for automakers relying on imports. It's a tough spot for Tesla, too, even though their manufacturing is mostly domestic.
Right? But the tariffs on parts are still causing a headache. And with production costs going up, they'll have to raise prices. Consumers are going to feel that.
And we can't ignore the competition. Companies like BYD and China are gaining ground. And in Europe, traditional automakers like BMW and Mercedes-Benz are pushing hard into the EV market.
It's tough for Tesla, especially in China. BYD's cars are much cheaper and Tesla's prices are way higher. Plus, they're losing ground in Europe with the drop in sales. There's a lot of pressure from all sides.
It's a perfect storm, isn't it? Tesla's brand image is taking a hit, tariffs are causing problems, and the competition is closing in. How do you think this will play out?
Honestly, I think Tesla's at a crossroads. Musk is confident they'll bounce back, but they need a serious strategy shift. Investors are on edge and competitors are ready to swoop in.
Yeah, the $900 billion loss is just the beginning. If Tesla can't recover quickly, we might be looking at a real downfall. But who knows? Tesla's always had a way of surprising us.